Today unboxing is on the Tomica April Release, and that's the Hitachi loading shovel EX8007, and also the pair of Nissan Skyline C10 Hakosuka. And now let's take a closer look at the Hitachi loading shovel in 1:300 scale. Wow, it's very heavy, and this shovel or excavator is used for mining purposes. One of the biggest excavator out there. The shovel or the arm is made of plastic, so it's not die-cast. Sort of a scoop can maneuver as well, it's static, but the arm can be stretched, and that's quite impressive. You can see the label EX800 on the ABS plastic. Body is all die-cast metal. This is the part that makes it very heavy. Behind you have the logo Hitachi. The highlight of this casting is definitely on the tracks. For mainline, it comes with a rubber track and is totally functional. I would have expected the track comes in mold, in plastic or die-cast, with some mini wheels hidden underneath. But no, these are real working tracks. Very impressive. Rolls extremely well. The track can be removed to reveal the wheels. Next, the pair of Skyline C10 Hakosuka. I've been waiting for this casting for a very long time. The regular color is silver, comes in a typical black box. Various angle of the casting on the box. You can see the opening doors as well in 1:61 scale. Oh, very nice. Love it. Just look at the effort on the detailing on the front grille. It's very impressive. One of the best detailing among all my Tomica premium collection. Very cool. Plastic insert headlights. Also the Skyline 2000 GTR car plate. Details wise, it's very intricate. Almost comparable to a TLV standard. I think this is a really good job done by Takara Tomy. Paint color is close to the real deal. Very accurate color. Realistic wheel sets in plastic. Nice detailing on the rear. Very cool. The rear light comes in plastic insert, not painted. Very nice detail. Next, the Skyline GTR Hakosuka in white commemorative color. Wow, it's equally stunning as the regular release. This is really the highlight. I can just stare at it for all day. It's very impressive. Specification wise and the wheel sets are the same as the regular release. All very close to the real thing. This pair of Skyline is definitely worth the wait, and quite an interesting assortment, and more Tomica unboxing coming to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!